Welcome back to PT Car Reviews, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most refined and powerful luxury sedans on the market, the 2025 Audi S8. If you're looking for a car that blends executive comfort with thrilling performance, this one's worth your attention. The 2025 Audi S8 continues to uphold its reputation as the pinnacle of Audi's luxury sedan lineup. On the outside, the design remains bold yet elegant. Audi's signature single-frame grille dominates the front, flanked by sleek HD matrix LED headlights with laser light technology. The body lines are smooth and understated, giving the S8 that perfect mix of aggression and class. Subtle S badging and quad exhausts hint at the power beneath the hood. Under that sculpted hood lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing out a massive 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. All of this is channeled through an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and Audi's quattro all-wheel drive system, launching the S8 from 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds. But it's not just about speed. Audi has equipped the 2025 S8 with predictive active suspension and rear-wheel steering, making it incredibly agile and composed, whether you're carving up mountain roads or gliding down the freeway. Inside, the cabin is nothing short of a tech haven. You're surrounded by premium materials like Valcona leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents. The dual touchscreen setup and virtual cockpit provide seamless access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Rear passengers enjoy first-class comfort too, with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, plus optional entertainment screens and a full-length center console. Advanced driver assistance features are standard, including adaptive cruise assist, lane keeping, and intersection assist. Audi's AI-powered systems continue to push the boundaries of semi-autonomous driving. The 2025 Audi S8 is more than just a luxury sedan. It's a high-performance machine wrapped in a suit of sophistication. Whether you're in the driver's seat or being chauffeured, the S8 delivers a commanding presence and an unforgettable experience. Thanks for tuning in to PT Car Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Audi S8. See you in the next one.